Muscular lifespan changes. For homework number 4, I had chapter 9.9, section 17, and I'll be talking about our muscle changes due to age. After 30 years of age, people who are less active lose about 3 to 5% muscle mass every decade. This is also known as sarcopenia. Causes muscle wasting and age-related changes. One would be decrease in hormones. Specifically testosterone. A decrease in testosterone would not be good, as that hormone stimulates protein synthesis and muscle growth. Including hormones, protein would also play a big role, as our body breaks down our food into amino acids, which builds muscle, and a decrease in our diet or a change in our diet could affect our muscle mass. Inflammation could also lead to muscle wasting, as well as neurological signals. Our body and brain communicate with each other to help control voluntary muscles. When these neurons don't work or they die, communications with our nervous system and muscle breaks down. As a result of this, our muscle weaknesses and waste, also known as atrophy. An example of this would be like if you have a stroke or if you have cerebral palsy. And lifestyle changes could also affect our muscle wasting. Lack of exercise, bed rest, and like stated before, our protein nutrition, as protein is needed. We could see the difference between a normal muscle and an atrophied muscle. An atrophied muscle, as you could see, is more smaller. It's like it has shrunken. The common symptoms of this would be loss of muscle coordination, weakness or numbness in the limbs, also impaired balance while walking, tingling or weaknesses of the extremities, fatigue, and a general feeling of illnesses, progressive weaknesses, facial weaknesses, and gradual memory loss. There could also be severe symptoms that would lead you to the hospital, and these symptoms would be slurred speech, having inability to move, or in other words, paralysis, changes in vision, weakness on one side of the body, and headaches. When muscle cells die, they are not regenerated, but instead are replaced by connective tissue and adipose tissue, which does not possess the abilities of a muscle tissue, but it is something. You can actually reverse atrophied muscles by eating better or exercising. To help me with this, I went on 2 websites and I also went off our PowerPoint presentations.